Hello, hello. Uh, what is happening? Up? Is this up? Oh. Yep, it's up. What? Sure. Yay, I myself am watching this stream. Ugh. I'm gonna be putting the address decoder I designed onto CAD. Oh wait, I don't have any. Right, I need to. See, I don't know why it keeps doing this. It thinks that. I don't know why it keeps doing this. This is so weird. I have to like go turn it to fallback graph. What? Yeah, I have to turn it to fallback graphics and then turn it back. Yeah, it's so weird. Do I have the... Oh wait, I'm stupid. Wow. I am so smart at this, yep. No symbol loaded, yep. That's the window I want to capture. There we go. Okay, so yeah, the view area bugs out and just like extends to nowhere. But I have to like change it to fallback graphics instead of accelerated graphics, and then change it back to fix it. I don't know why. I should probably put this here. What? Here. Don't care. I don't care, YouTube. Just let me watch my own stream. Thank you. Okay. Right. And to find what part number the IC that I have is. Parts. It's in the CSV file here. And try 3 input. It's the 11. Okay. I should probably specify it's the 7-4. 7-4 ACT fine. Find it. In here? Does it have the 7SN74 ACT11N? Or I guess equivalent chip. None of these. How do I collapse all? Wrong button. That was not what I meant to do. Cool. What the? No, stop doing that. The... Oh, this sucks. Who decided to design UI this way? Oh, whatever. Wait. Can I just like... What if I just assume that it's there? I just place a symbol. People like, oh, 74XX. Wait. It's a bit annoying. Screw it. Full window. This one. Boom. Okay. 7, 4. There's 11 here. Is it just not a thing that KiCad comes with? I don't see. I don't use this thing very often. Seven 4, right? Yeah. 7, 4, 11. Anything that ends with 11. That's... I can't tell, man. Eleven. 1, 1. Aha! 74 LS11. I think that should work. The pinouts should be the same, right? All I really care about is the pinout, I guess. I'm not like manufacturing these. XX series IEEE symbols. Interesting. Okay, so there's the 74 LS. Oh my god. It just goes off the screen. Like, okay, like, look here. It tries to go from, like, the window ends here, but then this view goes up to here. That's so weird. Why would you do that? Like, okay, black background. What? Oh, I guess those two windows are tagged. It's so weird. Why does it do that? I can't see what symbol you're talking. Oh, because it's oh. Right. That's the power. And then these are the A, B, and C, the 3 tri-input AND gate. Okay. Wait, let me see my design again. I shouldn't have got started with this, whatever. Can I add a favorite? Interesting. Okay. I'll do that later. I need the what's it called? The thing that just shows that there's like an input. Yeah, labels. Right, those are called labels. Okay, wait. Is there? Can I just play it? Label, yeah, fine. One label is the address. It's multiple label input means. Oh, okay. Name sheet reference. Enter sheet reference. Show name. What do these do? It's output. Yeah. This. Okay, can I flip it? Okay. But I flip it. Okay, wait. Try that again. Global symbol. Address. What is? I don't understand. Okay. Does output mean what I think it means? Wait. Let me play symbol. Hex inverter. That's the HC. That's the HC. That's the AC. That's the ACT. What is that? 04. Inverters, hex A. Yeah, okay, 04. Does the search function not work in this thing? Okay, that's cool. That's really fun. I love how this works. Yup. 74AHC04. Does it have the exact one I have, which is the ACT? I bought it because the data sheet says it's fast. Is it fast though? It is, yeah. Okay. Why does the search function not work? Sort alphabetically, sort by best. Sort alphabetically. 04. That ends in 04. Aha! These are basically the same thing, right? They sure have the same layout. Yeah, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hour. And can I place draw wires? Yes. Okay. So I think this is flipped. This address is the wrong way around. Did I select something? There we go. Input. Rotate. Rotate. Oh, mirror horizontally. There we go. How do I say that this is a... Maybe just draw a bus out of here. Let's say this is a bus. I guess I can. What is show bus syntax? Oh. That looks like text. Never mind. Okay. I mean, it reminds me of text, yeah. How does this thing work? Wait, what do I do here? Is there a... Place wire to bus entries. What? Connect all lines? Can draw a bus? Place wire to bus entries. What is that? Huh? One line, two line, goes down. Wire to bus. Oh, wait, does it mean... Oh, I get it. It's supposed to like indicate that this splits off from the bus. Okay, I get it. Hello? Does the delete key not work? Delete. Right click. Cool. I guess delete doesn't work. But what? Okay, so this is a bus. Which signal needs to be? Let's see. This one. So 4 signals needs to be inverted. And then 1 inverter will be used elsewhere. Okay. So let's just put this here and then draw. Okay. And then I can say place wire to bus entry and say that. How do I annotate it? I guess put this here and then draw wires here. Right? How do I annotate it? Yeah, I think I'm meant to use this. Like to say A14? What is this supposed to be? What? this is supposed to be, oh wait, I should show this. This is the Vent Eater 6502 design. I marked where each component is because it was getting annoying trying to remember the numbers and letters, the codes. Yeah. So it's supposed to be A14, I think. No, there's an A15. So it's supposed to be A15. Right here. A15. So how do I do this? Okay, I kind of get it, right? You do that, you do a drop down, you line to there. How do you annotate it here? Huh. I guess this one. Oh, how do I? Lost syntax help. Is it a net label? Directive label? What's a directive label? No idea. Net label. A. Subscript 15. I guess that works. Okay, what the? What? Oh. Oops, okay, this is the B, is B. I want to be routed to... Wait, what else? So, for NOT gates, line 14 also needs a NOT gate. So if I just like copy this, copy paste. Can I copy? Copy. Paste. Thank you. Here. And then change this to say A14. And then... Oh, that's how that happened. So we selected it. And then... line 13 does not need to be inverted. Wait, I should say I basing everything off of what I designed here. Yeah, I basically mapped out the so here's the 16 address bits, and this goes from most significant to least significant. And then basically it's like what in here is a where condition is this thing active, and then here's from what range and hex value, and here's the size. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. So as you can see, ROM is just oh, and then here I mapped it to a truth table. You can see it's basically the same thing, except I'm also marking like what signals there needs to be, and then what those signals, and then for what those signal needs to be for each I guess differences in the bits and the address bits. That's basically how address decoder works. Turning an address into active signals. Basically, just select one for this, right? Because you can see here, for each column, there's only one value that's different from the other, and that's when it's on, or that's when it's active and supposed to be true. Well, I think I changed the design for this a bit. That is not most up-to-date one. Yeah, here's the most up-to-date. Well, not up-to-date. It's like I changed a bit. Mainly, I noticed that the datasheet says that they have to be like both this be high and then this be low. Both this be high and then this be low for the VIA to be active, and same thing for UART. So I realized that it doesn't actually matter as long as you get one of the signals to be this. So basically all I'm doing is just tying this one and this, the VIA chip select 2 and the UART chip select 1 to low. I think that's the easiest thing to do, because I'll be using AND gates, and AND gates works well with when the signals is not inverted. Yeah. Okay, so right, so 15, 14, 13. 13 doesn't need to be inverted right now because I don't have a display yet, so this is just like not here. No, this is just not here. I think this is the color. Yeah, just ignore this. Display doesn't exist right now, so if you look at 13, it's just checking if it's 1, so it doesn't need to be inverted. And then for 12, it needs to be inverted for the non-disk signal, the UART and the VIA. And then same thing goes for 11. So 13 doesn't need to be, so 12. Hey, Control C, Control V works again. Okay, so it should be 12. And then $11. Okay, so 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. That's it. That's all the inverter signals I need for this part, for the address decoding part, or for this part, I guess. Next, I just need to. I guess I can shift all these back. Yeah. And then I just need to. Wait, is that? Yeah. Connect the AND gates up. Play symbols. Recently used. Cool, it's not here. Wait, no, that's because I have a filter on. Recently used. This one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, power. What the? No. Place draw wires. Okay, wait, so first is the RAM here, right? Oh yeah, RAM. RAM needs to be ended with a clock signal. Clock. It's input, I guess. So for alright, wait, I need to extend this bus. To extend this bus down here. And then if I just like whoops. This goes here. This will be for the RAM. So the RAM will take not 15, not 14, and clock. Not 15, not 14, and not clock. So draw wire. Most significant is supposed to be this way. Okay. That's one. And then it should be like this. I guess I'll just do this. Okay. That should just be it for the RAM. I think so. Clock A15, A14. Yeah, oh wait, no, the RAM also needs to be inverted. Because it's where is it? For the RAM, trip select has a bar on top of it, so it needs to be inverted. Okay, place. Global label. RAM enable. Chip select for the bar. Wait, isn't there formatting for especially for bars? Syntax. Over bar. Okay. What? Why is there special case for? Is this just an example? I think that's an example. Okay. So instead of writing bar, I should just do this, and then it'll be an output, and it will face this way. Okay, place draw wire. Cool. Okay, that's RAM enable down. Next is so this first, or I guess this three most significant bits, the 0, 1, 1, is used for like all three of these. So I'm gonna make one AND gate to output a signal that just checks for the most significant 3 bits, and then I can end that with everything else on from that signal to get everything else. That's what I'm trying to say. It's actually pretty good public speaking practice. No one's watching, right? It's so embarrassing if someone's watching. I'm just trying to public speak. There you go. Okay. Been doing this for 30 minutes? That's 30 minutes? What? What? Okay. Right. Not 15. Not 15. 14, and 13. Not 15, 14, and 13. So here's the not 15 signal. Wait, I should have done the ROM, because the ROM one's the easiest. It's just 15 and inverted. Okay, wait. Place global label. ROM. Grip select. Output, yes. See, this is the easiest one, because all you're doing is put down here. Oh, I should W. There we go. No, W. Oh, W places. Okay. Here. Literally just 15 inverted. It's the easiest one. So wait, so 15, not 15, 14, and 13. Cool. 14. Do this. I already have 14. Copy. Copy. Wait, please copy. My bad. What? What? Hello? Am I not allowed to? Wait, is there a special mode for select? Select mode. What? I don't get it, man. Draw rule area. The hell? What the? Okay, that's definitely not what I wanted. What? Just this. Oh wait, if I just oh, if I just press escape, okay. So it's like Vim. This needs to be changed to 13. It's not 15, 13, and 14 and 13. W. Aha. This does not need to be inverted because oh right, because this feeds into the other outputs, the other circuits. First one's gonna be, okay, I probably need more space down. Page setting. Can do portrait mode? Oh, I can. Oh, nice. Okay. A4 paper portrait mode. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I guess BIA first. What? I guess you are first. Okay, you are first. Draw line. I click the draw line again. One signals, I'll bring it down. Uh, and then what is UART needs the not of the other two. Okay. Right, UART needs the not of the other two, so A12 and A11. Is it supposed to be A11? Right, so that should be UART chip select 0. Input facing this way. UART chip select 0. Okay. I now need VIA. Where's the tile? Input output adapter? What? Wait, what? What was I doing? What the hell was I doing? Huh? What was it? Oh, VIA. Right. Oh, right, I was adding a... Right. I need to add another one of these. Boom. 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 So this one will be used for the VIA. Right, and then the VIA takes not 15, 14, 13, 12. Not 12. So where's not 12? 12. Not 12 is this one. Takes not 12 and 11. Well, it's down, I guess. Not outlier. Like escape. Okay, extend the bus. It is B. Down. Watch it up. Whatever, I'll just copy. A12. Not one, it's A12. Control C, Control V. Yep. Wire. Yep. Okay. And net label. Global label. Control L. VIA chip select. Wait. Still, VIA chip select 1. because right, so this one starts at 1. Oh, very good. The output. Oh wait, is this? Oh, whoops, the UR is accidentally set to input. Output. Wire, go. There you go. It's the VIA chip select 1. Last one is the disk. The actual new thing I'm making. That will be, well, that's just this input plus this input and ended with 15, 13, 12. Wait, what? 15, 14, 13, 12. 12. A12. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? 14, 13, 12. Oh, wait, it's not 12. Ended with 11, not 12. What am I doing here? This is supposed to be 11. Did I do this wrong? This is 11, right? Yeah, okay. So not of 11. Okay, so this is actually 12. So wait, so this way, and then 12. Boom. And then since it really just needs that, I'll just type hot. Is that right? 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, and then 12. Okay. Wait, it's Control L. Disk enable. Disk chip select, I guess. To follow the naming convention of chip select. Then power symbol VCC. The hell am I looking at? Oh my god. No, it should be logic level high. Oh, wait, wait a second. Does TTL logic level allow 5 volt as a logic level input? I gotta make sure. But I remember having a tab of the data sheet open. 74. There we go. ACT 11. So TTL logic level. Recommended operating condition. High level input voltage, min. Low level input voltage, max. Input voltage, min 0, max VC. What? Wait, what is it trying to say? Supply voltage, that's gonna be 5 volt. Input voltage range. What is that? The input and output voltage rating may be exceeded if the input and output current rating are observed. I guess this means it's fine. Or this is the recommended operating condition. So recommends input voltage. Output voltage. High level input voltage. Low level input voltage. And then just input voltage. Well, okay, it should be fine actually. Yeah, it just says anything greater than 2 will be recognized as high level. And then I guess input voltage applies for both. Like the maximum you can input into it, which will be VCC, which will be 5 volt, which means it should be fine to tie it to 5 volt. Okay. Oh yeah, he already did that, like here with, I believe this is also TTL voltage levels, so I think this is fine then. Okay, place, power symbol, VCC. What do I do 5 volt? Like what the meter did there. Plus 5 volt. Like what he did here. It says plus 5 volt. Well, I like VCC better, honestly. What's VCCQ? No idea. Okay. VCC. This one will be tied to VCC. And then... Oh, wait, so... I really need to also do the... I should also mark the other chip select. Guess I'll put them here. Alright, so this should be UR chip select 1 bar over. And then this should be VIA chip select 2 with a bar over it. And these will be connected to ground. Do I do VDD or ground? What did he do here? He did ground. Okay, I can do ground. Here, I guess. Wire to ground, wire to ground. I don't want to connect these. I'm too lazy. Everyone knows how to connect power. And I guess I'll place no connector flags. Unused. Might be used later. I don't know. This should be it, right? This is the full address decoder. Yeah, I think this is the full address decoder. This is it. Oh, I guess I should build it now. How did I get 0.6 hours of watch time on my stream? Does it count me watching the stream? It's like one chat message 1. Who's in the chat message? Is the web UI not updating the chat correctly? I don't see a chat message. What the hell? Live chat. That's okay. Cool. I guess there's 2 chat messages now. There's one at the very beginning of the stream. At 0 seconds. I guess that's just okay. Cool. That's really fun. Reach 1 views. Yep. How viewers find this live stream? Browsing feature. 100%. Yep. Because I'm the only one watching. W. Engagement. 0.6 hours. That's me, baby. Let's go, audience. This is too funny. Device type computer 100%. That's me. You're looking at the guy who's watching on the computer. Yo. I guess I should build it then. Is there any problem with this design? Do I see any problem with this design? I have 1 spare tri-input AND gate. 3 input AND gate for the potential future display that might exist in the future. Right. And so is my last... Wait. Last NOT gate, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't there 8 hex inverters? Or is there only 6 and I'm just stupid? Hex. Hex. Wait, does the hex in hex inverter mean there's 6 of them? What does it mean, like, it inverts? Oh, it probably means there's 6 of them. Is that what hex in hex inverter means? Wait, it's this one. Yeah, I have the datasheet open. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them. I am stupid. Cool. Cool, there's only 6 of them. I guess I have exactly enough if I ever want to make a display in the future. That's so fun. I love that. Great. Cool. It's gonna take so long because I'm gonna have to reroute everything. When theory becomes physics, everything breaks. Ah. This is so fun. That's so fun. I should save this. Okay, I'm looking at my board right now. Obviously, there's not enough space. Obviously, I'm gonna have to add another one. I'm thinking of adding it above everything else. 2 chips. I'm gonna remove the old one. Add 2 more. Oh. And that's gonna become the signals. See, his idea was great and all, like Benier's idea with like just having 1 chip to decode the entire address is great and all, but like I think he basically hit the limit of what 1 chip can do. And anything more complex, it's gonna require a more complicated address decoding setup anyways. So I don't get why he's like doing that. But oh well. I'm not one to complain. I shouldn't complain because you know he designed it. It's his choice, it's his trade-off to make, not mine. Wait. Let me check something real quick. I guess this works? Okay. That's fine. Okay. This should be fine. Okay. Time to just suck it up and build it. Oh. Grab a breadboard. That one's dirty. Okay, that one's relatively clean. That's good. I should set up my overhead camera setup. Great! I love janky camera setups. That's what I love doing. Oh, right. Wait, what? Was that really my idea? Did I really just do that and think that was a good idea? That's really nice. I like how I don't think that's a good idea. My original camera setup idea is 2 boxes. with a board on top and then just putting my camera directed down at it. On second thought, that's not a good idea. Let's see if I can do something better. What if I have one box and then I and then I direct the camera diagonally down at it? That might be better. Okay, webcam. Okay, you should, okay, notification, mute. Webcam, screen capture, no, table, there we go. Add source. Video capture device V4L2. Video for Linux 2, I believe that's what it's called. Okay. Yup. It would be great if they have a stand. Don't have a stand. I mean, theoretically, the two boxes plus a flat surface would work. It just feels really janky because it is. Where is the camera? Great, the camera's there. Okay. Well, I don't know if I like this setup. Well, the setup is clearly not gonna hold. Come on, you're an engineer. Think of something. Solve problems like all engineers do. Okay, the problem with the idea of two boxes on a board is a board on a flat surface on two boxes on two tall things is the fact that I don't have a long enough board and slash flat surface. What if I just tape two smaller ones together? But then how's the camera supposed to see down from it? It needs to be like thin enough to have the camera be half, or to have my phone be half over it. Or alternatively, be a transparent. I have an idea. Tape measure. 40. Approximately 40 something. Okay, well, I'll have a limited working area, but I think that should work. I'm not even watching live. This YouTube player sucks. Okay. might not be clear. I think it's clear enough. Here. Oh wow, that's a really limited working area. Better than nothing, I suppose. Bad if like if it fell down and knocked. Whatever. I would like to have a proper stand, but I guess. Oh great, it's tilted. Wow, it's gonna be a tilted view. Cool. Yeah, that works, I guess. You can see the. Wait, which way's recognizable? Actually, no, they don't sort of see. 42 versus 35. Okay, yeah. This is the wrong side. Actually, this should just work. Well, it's a little bit. Okay, this should work. It's actually not that bad. Let's not buffer it. Oh wait, now the. Okay, well the VTuber capture cam is gonna have a hard time capturing. Oh well. Auto exposure, yes. Okay, the lighting here is terrible. Wait, this should be below that. Okay. Try to fix the lighting. Wait, is there an option to have the flash on at the same time? Torch, camera in use. Cool. There's a wide angle lens and zoom lens. Or I guess this is an option. Okay, cool. That doesn't matter right now. Lighting. Get these things out of the way. Yeah, I think that's way better. Actually, speaking, I think that's way better of a lighting. Yeah, okay, let's try this out. Okay. Yeah. Here's my Ben Eater 6502. You know, I always wanted to move this crystal oscillator like somewhere away, a bit away. But if I ever do that, like I tried doing that, like I tried moving it here, but then the signal integrity is absolutely terrible. I don't know how to solve this. Maybe I can put the resistor a bit away instead. I'm getting sidetracked. This needs to be like this here. Yep, these go inwards. So I guess... Do I need a knife to cut it? Like, do I need to... I guess I need a knife to cut this, what's it called? Tape? No, double-sided tape, I guess? I don't know what this material is called. Okay, cool. Hello? Can you see me? Hello? Ah, there we go. Now it sees me. This is not going good. The V2 camera cannot see me properly. Okay, that's great. Let's just not do that instead. Instead, I'll just cut it. What? What? Huh? Okay, you know what? My brain's going nowhere. I'm gonna go get a knife and cut this. Why is it glitching out? What? Okay, if I'm gone, I guess it just glitches out. That's really cool. I'm so happy it does that. Why am I being so sarcastic today? What's the easiest way to cut this? Boy, you can still see me. You can. Nice. Okay. One side of the power rail is chopped off. I should... Whatever. I'll just leave it there. Okay, let's see. Just need to attach it. Okay. Wait. You can see me with just this little area? Okay, you know what? Why am I doubt this? Why am I to doubt this technology? That's so cool. What the? Okay, nice. Wait, it works. It worked. How did I cut? Wait, how did I cut this one? Wait, what? How did I cut? Did I pre-cut it? Okay, whatever. Ow. Wow, I'm glad I did that. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna find the chip I need. Oh, I should probably put I can put let's see. If I do this and then let me see if I can put the new source. Not this one. Screen capture, pipe wire. Add existing. Yes. And then if I scale this here and then crop. Is there a visual crop in OBS? Transform. Edit transform. Oh yeah, there's no visual. Why is there no visual edit? Transform. Crop left. Okay, I guess using the scroll wheel does sort of make it visual. Wait, let me show this. Here's what I'm working with. Transform. Transform, edit transform, and then just scroll wheel the number of pixels. Mm-hmm. Yep. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And I mean, I can probably estimate how many pixels this is. Wait, since that was 308, let's try. No, that was 700. Let's try 400. Okay, 500. 600. 700. 800. Close enough. Okay, close. Transition. There we go. At least I can show what I'm building. Okay, time to find the 74 ACT 11 and the 74 ACT 04? Is that right? Yep, that's right. Okay. Should be here somewhere. Hex Schmidt trigger. Nope. Hex Schmidt trigger. Nope. Uh, 8 input positive NAND. NAND? There's no D at the end. I think it's missing a D. That's also not it. That's not it. That's just a crystal oscillator. That's also not it. Wow, cool. None of these is it. Okay. My room is gonna become a mess. Oh well. Time to disregard. Uh-oh. Disregard, uh, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, that's cool. This is the AC? No, ACT. Aha, ACT04. Number one. Well, this is the ACT, but it's quad 2 input amp. Aha! Triple 3 input and 74 ACT11, 74 ACT04. Found it. Cool, time to put everything back in the box. And just as disorganized as before. Ah, cool. Am I still getting watch hours from watching my own stream? It's gonna be so funny. I am! I'm getting watch hours from watching my own stream. Unless someone's actually watching. Wait, what the hell? It says 2. It says views 2. Huh. Since when? No one's typing in chat, so I assume no one's watching. Does it also say views 2 on the web player? No, it says 1 watching now. Yeah. Wait, I streamed, wait, 88 minutes ago. And then I have a watch hour of 1 hour. I guess it just didn't count some of that? Question mark? Yeah, why does it say views 2 though? Oh no, real time, updating live, views in the last 60 minutes. 1. Why is this website? Okay. Uh, someone, wait, what? Cool, okay, yup, that's cool, I understand what that means. See, I'm streaming this mainly to have a recording of this. If anyone wants to watch, cool for you, good for you. I don't expect anyone to be watching. This way. These tubes are slightly annoying to open. Mildly infuriating to open. Most of the time I just give up and then just like use a knife. You know, that's the wrong way. I give up. Why is it so damn hard to open this thing? Bruh. Okay, there we go. What is this? This is the 11, so I need 2 of these. This is annoying because now I have to like tape it back up. Okay, I guess I'll work. I like this style much better, where it's just like a pin, and then, well, this is still really difficult to pull out. But there's a strategy to this, which is uh tweezer. You have this uh tweezer that bends and it's really thin, so I can just go like, there you go. And then this is the 0, 4, so I need 1. And you just like put it back in and it's resealed. It's much easier than the other one, which requires it requires tape. Which one's the 0, 4 again? This one. Okay. Go back and put my tweezer back. Actually, I probably need these, this tweezer and this tweezer. Oh, and this, whatever that is. Yeah. Cool. So, which way would be easiest? Which way would be the easiest? Hmm. Why does this just randomly say I have, like, the graph for real-time live updating viewer is always 0, except 1 for like a few seconds spikes to 1. Is it just counting me viewing multiple times? Also, at watch time 1.2 hours. W. Uh. Really not much. Wait. Can I get my personal account to also watch the stream? Will that count as cheating? Will that count as botted views? Because I'm watching 2 times at the same time. Let's see. Okay. 1 watching right now. Refresh. No, I don't think it counts. Unfortunate. Maybe it just needs time to update. I don't know. Oh! Wait, it says I have 2 viewers right now. No way. No way. Does this work? It says I have 2 viewers right now. Let's go! I got myself to watch my stream 2 times. I get double the watch hours. Let's go. Wait, that's the wrong tab to refresh or whatever. Let's see if it persists. And it is still 2. Let's go. I have 2 people watching me, which are both me. That's so funny. W. Okay. Time to actually do this. Have this. Wait, what time is it? Ugh. I should probably be eating. Nah. It's not like I'm underweight or anything. Haha. So do I want to put out at the very end? I could do this, pack them together, but at the very end. Right, so I would route some of these to here and here, and then route some of these again with some of those to these two. Right, because the inverter here, inverter triple 3 input and then triple 3 input and here. Wait, is there even enough? Wow, there's one single sliver of like places I can get the address buffs off of. Wait, no, that's the data bus. Oh my god. Let me read the data sheet for the 6502. That's the wrong window. I did not want to open that in that window. Okay, wait. Yeah, this browser window. Yep, open this PDF. No! Stop doing that. Yep, I interacted in this browser window. Double click. This algorithm sucks. How do you even how does the algorithm to determine what to open, which window to open a PDF in is, this kind of sucks. Wait, okay, copy location, right? And I can just paste the location. Yeah, there you go. That works. Right, and then the pin out, there we go. So address bus high, I do need address bus 11. So 15 to 12 is here. And then 11's here. The very last one here. I don't know if I have space. Oh, I really don't know if I have space. I probably do not have space. Let's remove the old address decoding logic and try it and then see what happens. Okay, first of all, Uh, so this, oh my god. Why, okay. Why did I tuck it in so deeply? So why did I tuck it all the way back there and make everything extremely tightly linked together? Okay, I hope this is the correct wire. Oops, okay, don't accidentally bend the pins on these ones. Okay, hopefully this is the correct wire. I'm not just pulling out something useful. I think that was it. Now I have to get it out. Oh my god, why did I do that? I'm living with the consequences of my own actions. This is so annoying. No, bruh. Why, man? What even is it stuck on? Random things. It's stuck on literally. You're stuck on nothing. Get out of here. Get out of there. You're stuck on nothing. Your whole life's a lie. You now serve no purpose. Got it out, I think. Maybe? There we go. Cool. I don't think I can use that wire anymore. Oh great, there's more of them. There's more where that came from. Wow. This wire also needs to be unplugged. Just gonna strip out all the address decoding logic. Old address decoding logic that I had before. Huh? 4 viewers? What the hell? Okay, cool. This is so annoying. Why did I have to like make everything? Why did I want to have? Why did I want to make everything look good and make everything so tightly packed? It doesn't even look. I mean, it does look good, but like, okay. Let's see. Okay, so the first gate not there anymore. Second one came from. Oh no, this is the output, right? The output goes to ROM chip. The enable of the ROM chip, I believe. Right here. Oh, I'm in pain. It's so much easier to like to design something than it is to physically make it and make it work physically. Everything's much better and much simpler in theory. In theory, everything's very simple, but then in practice, oh wow, look, there's this one edge case. Oh wow, look, signal integrity. Ooh, did you know having wires on a breadboard is bad for signal integrity? Wow. Did you know that these chips can only handle a specific frequency, up to a specific frequency, and then after that it won't be fast enough anymore. So you can only run your chip max 2 megahertz. So fun tearing out these old cables that were the original address decoding logic. What is this? That's RRQ. I think that's interrupt. Yeah, that's interrupt. Okay. That's reset. That's interrupt. Right. I'm supposed to connect a diode to so that both of these can trigger interrupts. Okay, where is the... Okay, so chip select here, chip select here. Whoops. Okay. Wait, I should probably... What is happening in OBS? Okay, we're good. What is happening in this thing? The YouTube analytics. 5 views? Watch time 1.6 hours? No way. It still says I have 0 viewers. But it also says updating real time or updating live 4 viewers. Which one is it? Okay, it doesn't even know what is going on. Okay, wait, okay, right. Enable pin for enable for these. I should just look on the data sheet. Not the data sheet, the diagram. Ben Eater's original diagram. Where for the VIA, CS1 and CS2 bar is at 24 and 23 respectively. It's a 40 pin chip, so 21, 22, 23, 24. So these two. Okay, so this is also part of that address decoding logic. Let's double check the other one again. So for ROM, it's chip select at 20. It's a 27 pin chip. What? Oh, 28 pin chip. Okay. Right, so chip select at 20 should be 28, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right here. Okay. Yeah, that's disconnected. There's nothing connected. And then for the RAM, I think it's the same. Oh yeah, I really don't like how he designed the RAM decoding logic, where like if you write to the VIA or the UART, it just writes to RAM. Like the lower 2 bytes of RAM is just like, or the lower like I guess 4 bytes of RAM, it's just garbage. Like it's just random garbage that you're writing to the URL or VIA. I don't like how that works. I'm gonna change that. So, right, so for the RAM, RAM is a 28 pin chip. Write enable is fine. Output enable should be the opposite of write enable. Oh shoot, I forgot to do that. Uh-oh. Like, there goes my last inverter. Yeah, my last inverter is going to the inverting write enable and turn it into output enable for the RAM chip, so that I can, also that it makes sense, right? If you're not writing, you're outputting, as long as the chip is selected. So 27, 22, and 20. 14? This is 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is disconnected. 21, 22, 22 should be disconnected. Okay. Wait, so 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27's out, is the rewrite signal. That's good. That's fine. Okay, next chip, VIA. Did I already check that one? I'll double check it again. Oh, it's okay on the diagram that Ben Eater provided. It's the chip, the pins for the chip are in order. So so this is 21, 22, 23. These two, they're empty. Good. Oh, there's 4 bits of register select for VIA. Okay. So, UART, right? Last one's UART. The UART, the register select 1 and 0. What? I swear register select for the, oh no, that's register select. I'm stupid. Chip select. Yeah, there's a bar over the chip select 1. Okay. That's pin 2 and 3. 1, 1, 2. 3. So this is pin 2. Should be connected to A12. Remove that. Okay. Pin 3, 1, 2, 3. It's connected here. Okay, remove that. Okay, now I should no longer have any what's it called? Any address decoding logic left. It should all be empty. Right? Am I missing anything? I don't think so. Okay, I guess I'll remove this chip. I'll remove the old. I believe this was a NAND. I think this was a NAND chip. Yeah, I believe it was a NAND chip that been either used for address decoding. I'll just leave that as empty space. It's fine. Let me pull out the power. Okay. Oh, I should probably also add a bypass resistor to these rails. I'm missing them. Should be fine for now. Okay, this is the LS. Okay, let's put that aside and think about where I want the new address decoding logic. I mean, I freed out these. See here. These. I can put them here now. So that could work. I think that's the best choice of action, because if I look at the data sheet for the where's the data sheet? Yeah, there we go, my data sheets. For the ROM, I guess. Look at the ROM. ROM is it's this one. Opens on the wrong window again. That's cool. I love how you do that. Your logic is great. Yeah, so for the ROM, address 14 and 12 are here. And then everything else is just scattered all like here in a weird way. Oh, and also it doesn't have address 15, right? That doesn't work. Okay, I'll just connect it here. I think that's the simplest and most elegant solution, probably. Got 5 views on this video, on this live stream. Holy crap, I'm famous, guys. 2 hours of watch time. I'm famous. Let's go. Okay, so I should if I do place, that's not the, this is the AND gate. This should be the hex inverter. Yep. I place it here. Oh wait, where? Oh wait, I need a place to put my these power cables. So I guess I'm putting this like around here, and then I'll eventually put the 6502. What? No, the ESP32 here. That should work. Yeah, that should work. Where are my wires? There we go. Oh, I have stuck some these 12 gauge, 13, 14 gauge. Can't tell. I think 1 gauge higher than the ones I bought. Cables left. Yeah. There we go. I can still connect power to it with these stiffer wires. What? Wait. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot to add music as a source to... That's cool. That's really cool. Music. Where's music? Music. Oh, I have an idea. Wait. I'll do it later. This is not the time for it. Copy source. This one. Add source. Oh no, paste. Transition. There we go. There's music back. Cool. Do I actually have a viewer? Like, do I actually have a viewer? Like, any viewer? I don't know if YouTube's lying to me or not. It says I have 3 viewers. And if you count the number of windows I have open, 2. So apparently I have a viewer. What? I can't tell. I think YouTube's just gaslighting me. If actually anyone's watching, please type in chat. So I can feel more nervous and embarrassed, I guess. Yeah. Sure, go for it. Two hours of watch time. Wait, has this gone up? 2.1 hours of watch time. That's not... That doesn't make sense. What? Interesting. Cool. Never mind that. I should stop getting sidetracked. Thankfully, my friends doesn't know I have this account. Wire stripper. Where did I put that? Good question. I don't know. Bruh. Okay, wait, okay, let me try. You know that one viewer could just be a bot. Or the 1 out of 3 viewer could just be a bot. Ah, where did I put wire sugar? Why am I so disorganized? It's not fair. I remember there was a box. Not a box, actually. Maybe a bag? Yeah, I think it's the same. It's in the same bag as my multimeter, maybe. Is it this bag? Welcome to me struggling to find something for like 20 minutes, I guess. What? Okay. My room's not that big. There's no way it could have gone anywhere. Yeah. Okay, I should probably put a screen on. Add scene. BRB. Well, I guess, yeah. Okay. I'll just... Boom, boom. Copy. Paste. And then... I guess I'll center myself. I disable it, yeah. Center it. Actually, why am I centering it? No. Cozy. No, I should just... Text. Text. B. Oh, B. I mean this name. Oh, B. BRB text. Yep. Sans serif. Manual. B. Right. Back. Trying to find my wire stripper right now. Word wrap. Can it wrap, please? Oh. Fit, transform. Fit to screen. Why? No. What if you just kept the size and just wrap the text like that? Isn't that a good idea? Right? Right? No. Do I have to manually enter new line? Oh, I think, okay, that works. And then here. Boom. I found it. Let's go. It's literally in the last place I ever could have checked. I forgot I even put stuff there. Oh, stupid. Wire stripper. Yeah. I should move this. That looks consistent. Yeah. Do I still remember approximately how long I need to... How long of a wire I need to strip out? Might be too much. I don't know. It's been a while since I've messed with this. Around here to here. Here. What does YouTube Analytics say about my stream right now? 2.6 watch hours, 6 views, 4 viewing right now. No way. Am I actually getting real people or just bots? I think with these low, like this low of a magnitude of numbers, I think it's just like completely off or something. Okay, maybe I cut these too short. Or this one too short. Okay, should be fine. Now, 5 volt. Oh yeah, the ESP32 can also act as a power supply for this whole thing. Act as a power source. So I don't have to run like random 5 volt wires to it anymore. Okay, that's definitely too long. I'll deal with it. Views last 60 minutes. Why does it just say like 1? Like it's all 0 and then there's a spike of 1. Okay, top traffic sources. Browser features. Direct or unknown. I think that's when I copied the link and put it on my personal account to watch. That's probably it. So that's probably the direct or unknown. I don't know how the last 3 browser feature comes. I don't know. I swear YouTube's gaslighting me right now. I'm not gonna. There's no way, like, 2 real humans are watching me do this thing. I'm just wiring up stuff on a breadboard. Okay, this one's too long. I don't really care. Okay, this is the... Where's the hex inverter? This one. This one's the hex inverter. Guess I'll put it here, right beside the line. Yeah, I'll put it right beside the power line. It's always so hard to put in the first time. And then I'll put this one next to it. Great, I bent some of the pins. Does it make it easier? Okay, that's cool. I don't know the proper way you're supposed to put these in. I kind of just like use my fingernails to bend the pins, or use my fingers to bend the pins until they're like, until all of them are in the hole, and then push it in. Okay, pause. That sounded weird. Okay, it doesn't matter. Hopefully I didn't put the wrong one. 04 1111. There we go. It is correct. Nice. Next step, powering these. Let's see. Powering these. How do I power this? I am being gaslit by YouTube right now. There's no other explanation for this. Okay, where did I put the data sheet for these? Data sheet. It's in the browser window somewhere. It's the 04 7404. There we go. Huh? No, not 2 positive input NAND gates. ACT04. Yeah, there we go. Hex inverted. Pinouts. Okay, so 1A, 1Y, 2A, 2Y, 3A, 3Y, ground. The other side, 4Y, 4A, 5Y, 5A, 6Y, 6A, VCC. Okay, ground and VCC over here. Ground. VCC. These wires are just the one I pulled off from the chip that was here. The NAND? I think the NAND chips. Or the NAND chip. The IC with 4 NAND gates. Okay, and then My guess is the other one is the same in terms of ground and VCC. Yeah, it is. One day, I hope I'll get one actual real person watching my stream and they can type in chat and I can like see that I'm not just talking to. Okay, it feels weird just talking to no one, listening, just in the possibility that someone might watch this afterwards. I guess it's lowers, it's like, it's not as stressful. This feels weird. Feels like I'm crazy. Boom, that's 3 power cable, 3 VCC. Can never get a good eyeball estimation for these. This one has to be slanted. Okay, so here. Very scuffed setup, might I say. My phone overheating? Slightly. Oh, it's hot, so, but it's not, probably not overheating. Did I make this too long? Oh, it's going over here. Wait, am I stupid? I'm stupid. Okay, I guess this one's going here. This one's directly right. Okay, cool. Last one. Careful not to get these on the floor. It'll be hard to find. Okay, I think there's nothing on the floor. No. Ooh, 3 hours of watch time. Wow. How long have I been streaming this? One watching now started streaming 2 hours ago. I guess it doesn't give the exact time. Does analytics give the exact time? Does OBS give the exact time? Cool. Oh, it does. It does. 2 hours and 30 minutes. W. Is the quality actually good? Like, is my stream quality actually good? Okay, it's not bad. Like, personally, I would watch it if you know, since I'm interested in. Yeah, you get the point. Right, I was doing something. Okay, that's power done. Next step is everything else. I'm a bit tired. Yeah, let's take a look at this again. A4, A15, A14, A12, A... Wait, what? A15, A14, A12, A11. No, A13? Oh, wait, this one. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. No A13. But then there's one more over here. And everything else is just AND gates. Triple input AND gates. And then I guess the easiest one to do would be to tie the UART chip select 1 bar and the VIA chip select 2 bar to ground. Yeah, I think that's the easiest one to do. Ground. Ground, yes. Because those are bars and I want them to be always active. Right, so... Where are they? Wait, where are they? On the VIA chip and the UART chip. Okay, wait. See, I don't understand why this browser doesn't like to do Windows correctly. Like, doesn't like to, not this one. New. Copy path for the that's the VIA. And then this is the yard. Oops. Okay. And then I can change this to this view, go to here, selector, and this one. Okay. So on the data sheet, oh wait, I can just do this. Yeah. Okay. Cannot arbitrarily scroll. Okay, you know what? Never mind. On the data sheet, it says that. Wait. Let me check the VIA first. For the VIA. Here. It says that. Oh my god, it's so blurry. CS1 and CS2B. Wow. And that's actually the other way, so this is this way. So down from bottom up 3 and then up, and then up 3 is the one I need to tie to ground. Yep. Bottom up 3. 1, 2, 3, that one. Okay. No. That's the one that needs an offset to go to ground. Not gonna work out. Let's say here. Let's just guesstimate. Oops. Okay, don't fall down, please. Perfectly, don't fall down. My very scuffed setup. Oh wow, the phone's hot. Okay, I should probably... Well... No... Why is the phone hot? Is it because of it? Is it because it's encoding the video? Wait... What? Oh yeah, it's because it's encoding the video probably. Video encoding. Okay, let's stop being second. 1, 1, 2, 3, top, third one, this one, 2, yeah. Boom. Okay, next one. So for this chip, chip select 0 and chip select 1 bar. From the top left side down 2 is the one I need to tie to ground. So Remember when I was first building this thing, I cut so many wires that I could like eyeball all the distances. Obviously can't do that now. That was nice when it lasted. Sure, select 1B. Right here. Okay. Easiest part done. Time to do the more difficult part. Okay. Yeah, let's just do it. I gotta do this. Seven views. Where am I getting these view figures from? 3.4 hours of watch time? Where am I getting these figures from? Where am I getting this from? Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna say that those are bots. Very confused. Okay. These. The knots. So 15, 14, 12, 11. And then... I'm just gonna not bother with trying to like optimize the distance of wires I'm running. I feel like that's gonna be fruitless. Kinda useless. So I would just not bother with it. Instead, I would just run it. I don't have much more of these higher, lower gauge wires to work with, but it should be fine, right? I got this massive piece off of here. This run. So should be fine. Theoretically, should be fine. What? What? Okay, I don't get it. I should stop and go eat. Probably a good idea. It's okay. Yeah, I should really stop and go eat. Will I finish this tomorrow? but I have so many more wires to wire up because of the ESP32. I have to actually like wire that. This just for the decodings, new decoding circuit. It took me 2 hours and 50 minutes to just do to not even be done with the new decoding circuit. Actually, that's probably fine. Okay, I guess that's what I'll do. If you're watching this, that was me fumbling for like 2 hours and 50 minutes. Thank you for watching. I'll probably do more of this. Probably do more of this tomorrow. My throat's gone. Pause. My voice is gone. I might play some games. I don't know. I kind of want to play Horizon Zero Dawn Remastered, but I don't know if anyone's gonna watch that. Maybe people will. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if people will watch that more than they want to watch this. I mean, I haven't shown off the actual thing I made yet. The thing I designed, the actual thing with the ESP32. Just been doing the address decoding logic. Maybe tomorrow if I actually start doing that. Okay. See you maybe in the future. Please comment something on the video so I can see that actually real people watch and not just bots. Yeah. Have a good day. See you. Wait, how do I just click stop stream on? Good question. How do I stop stream? Do I just click stop stream on OBS? Does that work? Does that work? Stop